Okay, you go to the buffer. You make sure where you see I don't remember the one you have. If you have the air supply on the front, then it doesn't matter which side you tilt. If it's on the side, you have to make sure, if on the side, either side, you have to make sure the filter, when you put the machine on the side, the filter is pointing up so the oil does not go in it. So then, for example, this one's on the front, so it doesn't matter. I put the machine on the side like this. You go on the side. This is what it's supposed to look like. So the clip that's holding the pads is in two parts. Yours is very similar to that. So I open it. This is how you replace the pad. This is how it's supposed to be mounted to this second part. So Vladimir was trying to explain to you. So this is the female part, because the male part goes inside of it like this, and the pad goes in between. So yours seem to be ripped off. All you need to do is take this part off. Then you take that part that you had over there, put the machine on the side. If there's so these are clips, it could be screws. If you pull them out, whatever you have, and just put whatever 3 or 4 screws. Make sure it's in the middle. Basically, you should be able to see like an outline where it used to be. You put it exactly in the middle. Put a couple of screws in. Put the pad. When you put in the pad, always make sure it also goes in perfectly in the middle. Because if the pad is out of balance, when you buff in the floors, when you turn on the machine and you put the pad in the floor, the machine will vibrate a lot. You see that? That's probably why the pad ripped off. Maybe because you put the pad a little bit crooked on. So you make sure it's in the middle. So then if it happens, you stop the machine, put it on the side again, reposition the pad, and then you put the clip back on. See the clip is even kind of sinks in lower than the pad. So when you buffer in the floor, the clip does not touch the floor, because it'll ruin it real quick. If you have questions, call me.